Okay, I had to make a video on this one because it has 368,831 miles, and this one is the owner of a shop, truck repair company. It's a work truck and it really gets worked. Has the original engine and the original transmission still in it. We're looking for air conditioning problems. So I filled this vehicle back up. Here's the story on this one. I filled this back up in 2013. And it was only like an ounce or two low. 5/1 of 13. And I put trace dye in it. And this does have the rear air conditioning, as you've seen here. So it was only 1 or 2 ounces in 2013. He's original owner, never filled it up. I charged it, it was 1 or 2 in 2013. So now we're 2020. He says, check my AC. I'm having it sometimes not coming on. So I put it on the vacuum, or not the vacuum, recovery unit. And this is what I removed. 1,200 grams, a little over. And this system holds roughly 1,400 grams. So it's only 200 grams low from 2013. This is a rare vehicle. And the only thing, a little bit of oil on one fitting at the Y. Already cleaned it up. Right down there. And this joint right there had oil on it. That's it. After all these years and all those miles. But the intermittent not cooling, we're doing guesswork right now. I said change the cycling fan clutch switch, change the relay. He's driving it in the Midwest or something and going to take like a 2,000 or 3,000 mile trip. And let's check the clutch gap and anything that could give you intermittent problems. And he's going to go off and use this vehicle again. But this is one of those rare vehicles that literally barely leak. Doesn't happen often. This is one of them, and he's going to be hitting 400,000 miles on this vehicle with everything original air conditioning, original engine, original transmission. But he also takes care of his stuff, and he doesn't do what the factory tells him to do, and he doesn't follow most of the regulations, and he uses all synthetic oils. Okay, that's it for this one. Just thought I'd tell you guys, a vehicle approaching 400,000 miles, everything original.